Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Nature Beauty. Nature, Nature, Beauty, Beauty. So dear student, in this topic I am going to explain you about our nature. Nature is the most beautiful thing in the world. Nature has so many things which have been given to us for our benefits. From nature, we get air to breathe, water to drink, trees, plants, animals, so many things. So, there are many things and beautiful things in nature to see, such as hills, valleys, mountains, rivers, etc. Nature has power to keep changing, like there is a sunrise, sunset, rain, rainbow, day, night. Nature is made of everything we see around us: trees, flowers, plants, animals, sky, mountains, forests, and more. Nature is very important for life on earth. Now, one by one, I would like to teach you some natural things. The first is sun. S-U-N, sun. You can see this is the picture of sun. You can see sun daytime in the sky. This is the source of light and energy. The sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. Sun is round in shape. It is the only star in our solar system. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is the source of light and heat. Without sun, life on earth would not be possible. And children, what is the color of sun? The color of sun is yellow. You can see in the sky. Now, I would like to teach you another. This is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. You can see this is the picture of moon. At night, we always see moon in the sky. It is the brightest in the sky after sun. It is the sphere in shape. It looks very beautiful at night in the sky. It provides us bright light during night. It is a natural thing. Now, I would like to teach you about stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. You can see in this picture, dear students, small dots of light that see at night in the sky are called stars. They are too far from earth. It is visible in the sky, especially at night. It gives out its own light and heat energy. The stars also have different kinds of color. If it is cool, it is red and brown in color. If it is hot, it is white and blue in color. Now, I would like to teach you about sky. S-K-Y, sky. You can see in this picture. The sky appears blue in a clear day, and at night its colors changes it deep blue. Common things that we can see in the sky, there are clouds, raindrops, the sun, the moon, stars, etc. Now I would like to teach you about clouds and rain. CLOUDS, clouds, AND RAIN, rain, clouds and rain. You can see this is cloud, this is rain. So cloud is a large collection of tiny droplets of water or ice. Clouds are formed when sun heats the air. It moves with help of wind. When droplets of water in clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain. These clouds are important as they bring rain. The water droplets that fall from clouds known as rain. Now I would like to teach you about lightning. LIGHTNING, lightning. You can see in this picture, dear students. It is a powerful electrical discharge made during a thunderstorm. It is extremely quick. It is often seen before the thunder is heard loud noise. When lightning is caused, it is advised to stay indoor because of its harmful effect. But then also it is one of the part of our nature beauty. You can see in this picture, it looks very beautiful, but it's harmful also. Now this is rainbow, RAINBOW, rainbow. Now you can see this is rainbow. It looks very beautiful. You can see this rainbow in the sky. It is formed before and after rainfall and when the sun rises. It is in the shape of semicircle. There are 7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. There are 7 colors in rainbow. It is curved line of different colors that sometimes appears in the sky when the sun shines through rain. It looks very beautiful in the sky. That's why it is one of our nature beauty. Now, this is waterfall. WATERFALL, waterfall. You can see in this picture, dear students. This is waterfall. A waterfall is formed when water from river falls from high speed from a rocky point. Water from waterfall can be used for many purposes, like that for irrigation, to produce electricity, etc. Now, this is river, RIVER, river. You can see in this picture, this is river. It flows towards a big water body such as ocean or sea. They generally flow through hills, valleys, plains and other places. Water in rivers comes from various sources such as rain, melting of ice from mountains, etc. Many rivers start their journey in the rainy season or ice in the mountain start melting, like Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri. Near to your town, which river is? Ganga? Yes, this is the example of river. Now, next is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surroundings. Its top is usually round or sharp. They can be rocky. Some have trees growing on their sides, and very high mountains have snow on their peaks. Now next is volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano. You can see in this picture, dear students, a volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases come out. You can see here in this picture. Yes. The lava that comes out can kill humans, and falling ash can cause problem in breathing. However, it is useful as lava make the soil highly fertile and also help the formation of most of the minerals. Now, this is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. A forest is a piece of land with many trees. Many animals needs forest to live and survive. They are very important and grow in many places in the world. We depend on forests for our needs. It provides homes for animals, and it provides us clean air for breathing, also food, medicines for all living things. So, dear students, you will study at home nature beauty. Thank you.